21, I started my teaching journey here in Loyola College. I was a substitute teacher and then became a faculty on a consistent basis. My presentation into three parts. The first, where I'll be talking about the definition. The second one, where I'll be talking about the syllabus part. And the third one, I'll be trying to entertain you guys. The kind of entertainment some people are trying to seek from their mobile as I speak now. Let's understand what is digital marketing. How people search, perceive, and decide which brand is good. You guys are of information era. You guys seek information from the helm of internet. If you need to decide what place to go and eat, you do a quick Google research about it. If you need to decide which photographer will come if there is a wedding in your place, you decide based on their Instagram profile. But at the back end, there are people who actually pushes content on the search engine. There are people who pushes content to you on social media, and you follow them, and you think they are popular, but ultimately, it's actually the marketer's game that is being played. That's exactly what you're going to learn in this course. Next slide, please. I think many of you can relate with this. Ramesh asked to Suresh, what? How many of you understand Telugu here? Many people. So, Ramesh Suresh ne adigaru. Are ikkada you can read it in English, right? Ramesh Suresh ne adigaru. తినడానికి ఎక్కడైనా వెళ్తాం రా భయ్య. అతను ఏం చేశారు? ఒక ప్లేస్ సజెస్ట్ చేశారు. ఇతను అదే ప్లేస్ గురించి ఆన్లైన్లో సర్చ్ చేస్తే అసలు ఏం రివ్యూ లేవు, ఫోటోలు లేవు. మీకు మీ ఫ్రెండ్ మధ్యలో ఇలాంటి డిస్కషన్ అయ్యి ఉంటాయి. You and your friend might have discussed the same, and you decide based on the kind of reviews you see, the kind of photos you see. But let me break it to you, reviews are also forged. Even on Amazon, most of the reviews, 90% of the reviews are actually kept by agency people. But yes, what can we do? We just simply go with, even after knowing that the reviews are fake, you somehow depend on the reviews only. That is digital marketing, at least a bit of it. Now let's quickly move on to the kind of modules that we are going to have. Syllabus. Next. We have search engine optimization as a module, social media marketing as a module, then paid advertisement, then email marketing and analytics. Basically everything that you do in your mobile, the activities. As the famous saying goes, necessity is the mother of invention. You actually create a market by investing your time and interest in it. Like you decide based on what you see on search engine optimization came up. You decide based on what you see on social media marketing came up. Guys, please settle down. Is there a problem over there? And similarly, we have many modules that confines the entire digital marketing on a whole. Not going to go much into it because, as I told in my first statement, you guys are capable enough to search what is digital marketing, how much it's going to help you, whether I'm going to teach you properly or not. You guys can decide based on your experience. Now, moving on to the third and my favorite part, these are the memes that I have prepared. This actually reflects the remarketing ads. You add something in your cart, and advertisement related to the same product keep running behind you, the way he keeps running behind the guy and says, "Bhag." Kitna bhagna hai? Next. Okay, don't fall for such thing when you see earn 4,000, 5,000 per day by using a mobile phone if you are a student, entrepreneur, etc. Ultimately, they are going to sell you some affiliate marketing course. And anything that's going to come easy is not right. So my course is not going to be easy. I appear like a cheerful guy, but in the class I am not. So I want you guys to take the course a little seriously and understand that even learning digital marketing, even these stress that we undergo to prepare this and to entertain you, is the same thing that you undergo while preparing a marketing strategy and entertain the target audience. Next. Let's agree here that country delight advertisement has started catching us on nerve. That every time that ad comes, unless and until we are getting a we swipe it, we remove the ad. But if there is a reward pending for a mobile game that we are playing, I think we close our eyes and then let just bad experience pass. Basically, the interest going there. Next. At the same time, there are advertisements which are good, that captures your interest, and when we see that ad, we actually feel sad. Just look at that ad here. You can flirt with them, but we are the one they'll call home. Next. I think more than boys, girls can relate to it because they have at least 20 to 30 products added in their cart which go out of stock and they die in that wish list only. They never made it to checkout. They never go through the purchase process. But pay attention, guys. There is a marketing push that is done to make you purchase the products that is added in the wish list. And I am pretty sure many guys don't know this, but if you really want to buy something, don't go this DMart way online also. Okay, when you go inside, you take 5 items or less, you stand in that express counter and you leave. Even if you buy something online, add it to the cart, leave it. Even if you want urgently, leave it. 80-90% of the times you'll get a better offer in advertisement in the next 2 days. And this is a life hack that girls have cracked. Next.
Do నిజంగానే క్వశ్చన్ అని అడుగుతున్నావా అక్క?
How can I explain that? Is there any Radhika in the group? Then she can explain. Okay. Next. Thank you. Next. With this, I end my. Even if you have any questions, you can reach me out. My Instagram ID is right over there. No need to follow me, just text me and I'll answer you. Thank you.